The following stories are real. All suspects are morons until proven otherwise. This is a Came from Evansville Watch.
All right. Of course, Evansville Watch, a Facebook and Twitter organization that monitors the police radio here in Evansville.
Took an 8-month hiatus, but back and better than ever.
Yeah, they lost their leader, Bill
Yeah.
Merkel, but they've took some time to regroup.
Yep.
And they're coming back strong, letting us know what's happening in our community. Maddie goes through that week and finds the best stories worth talking about. Again, these are all from Evansville and the surrounding communities. So,
Yes.
Maddie, what has come from Evansville Watch over the past 7 days?
Well, there was a reckless driver at the old West Side Walmart parking lot. It was an older model Kia just driving back and forth in the parking lot going about 90 miles an hour.
Where? Which parking lot?
The old West Side Walmart parking lot where it's just like a vacant just
okay.
abyss over there.
Gotcha.
But that would have been funny to see, I think. Just back and forth, seeing how fast you can get your Kia.
I forgot that part of the story.
There was a theft in progress at Zesto's, the 900 block of Riverside Drive. Caller reports they're selling something, and the male snatched it and took off. No direction of travel.
Huh.
Maybe let's not sell things at Zesto's on Riverside and expect to run into the...
It's probably one of those
nicest
meetups
of
from
people.
like either Craigslist or Buy Sell Trade or whatever.
I would do it somewhere else, maybe in the Walmart parking lot. With the
if
Kia.
you can avoid the cars. Selling a Kia that can make it up to 90 miles per hour.
A whole 90 miles an hour.
In 6 seconds.
Yeah. Suspicious activity in Crooked Stick Lane. Caller states teenagers are sitting in the vehicle, but they keep getting in and out, and they've been doing it a lot.
They keep getting in and out of the vehicle. Well, I
Yep.
guess that's suspicious.
Yeah, I guess so. General complaint, 6900 block of Hogue Road. Caller advises they were misdiagnosed at the doctor and they want to report it. Yep. 911, it's your they said I had strep. This is pneumonia. This is not strep throat. I have been misdiagnosed.
I know you can't hear me laughing, but you're killing me.
Never in my life. Okay, I took my son to the emergency room 4 times before they told me that he finally had croup. He was misdiagnosed 4 times.
Uh-huh.
Never once was I like, this is a case for the FBI. 911, they have misdiagnosed my son 4 times.
I can't top what you just did.
And
I'm not gonna try.
And lastly, there's a man that's naked, rolling around on the ground. He appears to be high on some substance. That subject is located at Mary Street and Missouri Street.
Just rolling around?
Just rolling around naked on the ground.
Boy, we're getting some good old naked nudity
Yes.
Evansville Watch stuff.
I love it.
I will be honest with you, those are my favorite kinds of stories.
Oh, yeah.
The reason they are is I never get to see them in real life.
I know.
Like, this happens all the time in Evansville. People doing stuff naked.
I have yet to see a naked woman try to get into an ATM, but it happened here in Evansville.
Right. I don't even get to see the porn holes being dug. You know what I mean?
And I tell you what, if I did, I don't think that I would call the police. I think I would just record it, if anything.
You know what I would do? I would cover it in dirt, water it, give it plenty of sunshine, and hope it develops into a porn tree at some point. That's what I would do. And then pick it once it gets ripe.